YouTube? I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be getting the cam out and timing off. I kind of already did that before I started recording. The reason I'm not recording is, as you can hear, that noise is extremely loud. That is the sprinklers. So they're leaking air. I guess one of the couplers or something came loose. I don't know. They're supposed to be fixing it. I told them about it about 2 hours ago. They're still not back to even let me know what's going on. So hopefully they fix it soon. But I hope the audio is at least decent enough for where y'all can hear me. So we already got the cam out, and then we took the timing chain, all the timing pieces off, and we can see our crankshaft a little bit off in there with some light. But there's not really much left for me to do. I can pretty much go ahead and flip this motor over now, go ahead and get the bottom pieces off to get this crankshaft off. So that's probably what I'm going to do next, but I'm not going to do that today because, again, I'm going to wait on them to fix this so this video is at least able to be recorded. So sorry for the delay on this video, and then after that I'll explain what's going on with my jet ski. So those two updates will come probably in the next clip. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here for right now. I'm going to see what they're doing, see why they haven't been back to fix this. But yeah, I'll go ahead and jump to the next clip and I'll see y'all then. Alright, it is the next day. So they're working on the air. They just went to get a bigger ladder because this is a tall storage unit. So I want to explain what's going on with the jet ski real quick. So as you can see, I got everything off. I'm charging it, and that's just because pretty much what's going on is the stator output circuit inside of the ECU is gone. It's pretty much fried. How I figured that out is above about 2 to 3K RPMs, it cuts power. It would not go. It cuts power, and then the check engine light flashes. So alright, it is the next day. So they're working on the air. They just went to get a bigger ladder because this is a tall storage unit. So working on this. So when they get done, we're gonna be right back to that engine, and we're gonna flip it upside down. Hopefully no large amounts of oil leak, and then we're gonna go ahead and get back to work on that. So they fixed the sprinkler. Now they gotta fix the one next door, so that don't have anything to do with me. They got the air off, no noise now. So I'll go ahead and I kind of started working on the motor before I started recording again. So I'll go ahead and throw in a clip of what I did, because I went ahead and flipped the motor over, took the little pan off that's under the crankshaft, and I also took the pickup tube off. So I'll let y'all see a clip of me doing that real quick, and then I'll go ahead and explain what I did to get it off. Alright, so we're back now. As you can see, I got this pan off, and here we go. So that's the crankshaft. Looks dirty, but everything also does, look pretty good. And I told y'all the cam a few minutes ago, well, in this video a few minutes ago, but actually yesterday. So cam has no deep scratches or pits in it. That's good. Crankshaft, I really won't know how bad it is until I take it off. That's pretty much it. This is the crankshaft, and I'm showing y'all something again without the flashlight. So if you're this far in the video, just comment Chance use a freaking flashlight. So let's do this again. So here is the crankshaft. So I honestly wasn't sure that I was gonna get this far in this video, but it's actually been pretty simple since I got that pulley off. But I want to make sure that I'm careful, because a lot of these bolts that I'm using, let's just say they're not going to be easy to find, and I haven't done the greatest job of organizing, except for my push rods and rocker arms. Those are actually in order. That's probably the most organized thing I have. But I need to get a better system for all this stuff. My bolts are kind of organized, but kind of not, so that's that. But I guess, I don't know, I'm gonna watch a video of pulling these caps off and bearings. But I guess we're gonna go ahead and do this. You know, I said it might be 2 or 3 more breakdown videos, but honestly, at this rate, this should be probably the second to last one. I don't know if I'm pulling the pistons. I don't think I'm gonna pull the pistons out today. But yeah, oh, one more thing. These random bolts that I bought in one of the first videos, they're holding up, but I'm not liking how this is sitting at all, so I'm probably gonna spray those holes down with WD-40 before I remove them, so I don't strip them. Hopefully that works. But yeah, so I'm not liking how this is looking. But yeah, I guess I need to do some research real quick. You know, a little bit of watch a few videos on how to take this apart, because never pulled a crankshaft out of any vehicle. I've never done any of this stuff, honestly. So I'm about to do some research, and we'll get to pulling this out, I guess. So yeah, again, for y'all that haven't done this before, this is my first time doing anything past, I haven't even pulled a harmonic balancer off a vehicle before, so this is my first time doing all of this stuff. If you got an LS motor, do it yourself. If you got space, do it yourself. It's that simple. I know I'm talking a lot, but I just want to stress how simple this motor is to take apart. I had no experience taking any motor apart, and look how far I've gotten. All you need is an impact and some freaking wrenches and one puller to get. The hardest part is probably going to be getting the harmonic balancer off if the motor's out. So do this yourself if you can. Save the money, because breaking this motor down alone probably would have cost me about $1,000 to $1,500. So that's money I'm saving, you know. And I'll probably get people to make sure that I'm doing, you know, all the right torque specs down. But I have a few mechanic friends. My cousin's a mechanic. He may be helping me, so we're gonna get this right. All right, people. So pretty much with the crankshaft, to get that off and all the bearings, I'm gonna make a whole nother video for this, because I need to label it. I need to label these when I take them off, because everything's gonna have to go on the exact same way it came out, because I'm probably gonna keep my pistons and rods as long as none of them are bent. Y'all stay tuned for my next few videos, and y'all take it easy, and I will catch y'all in the next one.